Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a drop D slow minor blues guitar riff. I'm pretty sure you're all gonna love this one, it's awesome, I just created it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So, how does this thing sound? Here, it's awesome. Now, oh, it's really awesome. I love it. So, how do we play this one here? As I already said, drop D tuning. Tune down your low E string to a D, and then we're ready to go. This minor blues, even we're playing in drop D, is in A minor. It's maybe a bit confusing, but it gives you a lot of opportunities to sound quite different than the regular minor blues guys, and give this nasty and brewing sound a chance to spread into the blues world. So let's get started. Okie dokie. So one of the main problems on this minor blues is really slow. It's 50 BPM, so you have to be really sure about timing. Timing is the main thing when it comes to slow stuff, you know, that you're really on time, on the beat. And we really, I mean, the stuff is quite easy to play, but we have to be really on the beat with the timing, so we're gonna go deeper into the timing as well. So we're having an opening phrase like this. So these are the chords played. We start here with the E5, slide up to a G5, to the A5. And we start on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay? 4 and 1, and then 1 and you play the open A string. 4 and 1 and on 2 we come here in with the D with the A in the bass. And then on 2 and we go here to the A minor 7. So it's quite complicated probably, but it's not really hard to grab. You just need to have the proper things done. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and on 1 of the next bar we just move down here on the A5 and we make a lettering over 4 beats, and we have a lot of time there, and there we can do, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. You can give a kick. You do the rhythm by pressing against the guitar, but on the beat. 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and on 4 again we go back to the opening phrase. Let's do this with the backing track. 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay? So now we cover the first 4 bars. The good news is the hard part is already over. Well, it's not so hard, but it's the most complex part. Now we have 2 bars of D minor. Now we can really evolve the full power of the drop D, and we first make a G minor 6/9. Sounds really nasty together with the drop D, and we play all strings and we grab in the 3rd fret, 2nd fret here on the G, 3rd on the D, and we just roll over the strings. And again we do this. We make this momentum of the beat by pressing against the guitar. You can also already start on the first one, you know. See, this way the chord starts to breathe like a living being. See? That's really cool. And then we make a second one, will be a D minor 9, or you can stay on that one if you want to love that one more, but you can also do this one here, 3rd fret, bar in over 3 strings in the 5th, same thing again. And then comes again the opening phrase. Okay, so now we covered the first 8 bars. Let's play that. It's really cool. Let the chord breathe. Now we come to the final 4 bars. I first played them. And so on. So the final 4 bars are really simple. Then we have 1 bar of E, but we're entering over the F5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we play 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again the D minor 6, 9. Opening phrase. And back to the E. Yo, I played it now without delay, and I'm gonna play the whole thing now with the delay. And if you want to have this brewing sound, then I recommend using an analog stereo delay or analog mono delay or tape delay. Also works pretty cool, and this sums up what you're doing and really sounds great. You can also experiment with using, I've been using the bridge pickup now, has more bite, but it could also be awesome on the neck pickup. Would also be cool, but let's do it on the bridge pickup. Sounds so cool. You guys, that was a slow drop D minor blues guitar riff, and I already showed a little bit of it. We later on go to some soloing, but that will be in a future tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel to don't miss it, or join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you want to download this cool backing track, you want to have the tabs of what I just showed, I really recommend it, because you need to see in a written form how the rhythm is played. That's the best way you can get precise by learning rhythm notation. And when you have regular tabs, you know, like on these tabs, they don't show rhythm. You need to see the written rhythm, because that helps you a lot to get more precise in your playing by understanding and being able to also write rhythm. As I said, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. There will be a future tutorial where I show some lead guitar on this one. At the moment, don't know what's the coolest way to do that here. I'll find out and let you know, so please subscribe to my channel or join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Bye.